Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This example asks us to simplify the expression 5x to the 7th y to the negative 3 all over 15x to the negative 2 times y to the 10th. So let's first rewrite it and ask ourselves, what is our first step going to be in this problem? Well, I would look at the coefficients and simplify those first, and then we'll go on to the variables. So we have a 5 and a 15, and these are factors, so that means we can go ahead and cancel any common factors that they have. So 5 and 15 have a 5 in common. So let's go ahead and cancel. 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 15 3 times. Next, we want to look at the variables. So we have an x to the 7th over x to the negative 2. So here we have the same base. What's the rule when we're dividing and we have the same base? Well, the rule is you subtract the exponents. You do the top exponent minus the bottom exponent, and the base stays the same. So let's go ahead and write that out. That's also going to work for the y's as well, because we're dividing here with the same base. So let's go ahead and write out our next step. So it's going to be x to the 7, so top minus the bottom, 7 minus 2. And then y to the negative 3 minus 10. All over, and on the bottom there's only a 3 left over. So let's go ahead and simplify. We have a 7 minus 2, which is really 7 plus 2. So we have x to the 9th power. And then we have negative 3 minus 10, which is negative 13. So we have y to the negative 13. That's all over 3. Now typically teachers will want all positive exponents when they have their students report answers. So let's write our answer with all positive exponents. So we need to change the y to the negative 13 to somehow y to the positive 13. So how do we simplify a power when the exponent is negative? Well, the rule is if you have a negative exponent, you move it or push it to the bottom and make the exponent positive. So there is our rule. So here we're going to push this y to the negative 13 to the bottom, and the exponent magically becomes positive. So we have x to the 9 over the 3 still there, and then you have y now to the positive 13 because it was negative 13 on top. Now all our variables have positive exponents, which is a nice looking answer. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.